There are so many products available in the market to remove makeup. Popular category to remove a makeup is by using a cleansing balm or micellar water. But which one is suitable for your skin type? Check out that in this video. Hi guys, my name is Deepthi and this is my channel Beauty Made Easy. I make videos on skincare, haircare and DIYs. I upload videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further talking, let's find out which one is suitable for you to remove makeup. We have two different makeup removing products and one is the PLUM's Cleansing Balm and the other one is the most popular Garnier's Micellar Water. First, let's talk about the Cleansing Balm. Cleansing balms are made with lot of oils, which helps in breaking down the makeup. Cleansing balms also contains nourishing ingredients and waxes. It is a waxy and a thick balm. It is smooth and silky. Once you apply the cleansing balm, the warmth of your skin will melt the balm into an oil texture. It can remove waterproof mascara, liquid lipstick in a gel. So now let's see the pros and cons of using a cleansing balm. So when you apply the cleansing balm, it turns into an oil. So it is very effective in removing your waterproof mascara and liquid matte lipstick. Even your stubborn sunscreen can be removed easily. You only need a little bit of the balm to remove your entire makeup. Cleansing balms are easier for travel. Why? Because you only need this jar and nothing else. You don't need to carry your cotton pads or tissues. You only need this one. So now the cons or the disadvantages of a cleansing balm. You have to be little careful while using the cleansing balm to avoid contaminating the product, which is why it comes with a spatula to scoop out the product. Somehow I lost the spatula which came with the PLUM's E-Luminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. It is a tiny little spatula and I kept it somewhere and it disappeared. This one requires more work, meaning you'll have to massage the product in and then wash your face off. After massaging, you will have to wash your face with a face cleanser or a face wash, and this step is mandatory, meaning that you'll have to do two steps while removing makeup. First using the cleansing balm, then washing your face off with the face cleanser. So it's like two things, two work you'll have to do to remove makeup. Since it contains hydrating ingredients, waxes and oils, it is highly suitable for dry to combination skin types. Coming to micellar water, I have two variants in my hand. This one is to remove your light everyday makeup and this one is to remove your waterproof makeup. Micellar water is made up of tiny oil molecules which are suspended in purified water. These molecules work like a magnet to remove the makeup, dirt and oil. It does not contain alcohol. If you need a quick facial cleanse to get rid of the makeup, dirt, impurities and oil, then try micellar water. Micellar water is quite beneficial for our skin. It works as a cleanser, toner and makeup remover and does not strip away the natural oils from our skin. It is gentle and does not cause dryness or irritation. Let's see some of the benefits of using micellar water. Micellar water is pH balanced, so it is a great cleanser. Micellar water prevents acne. As it deep cleanses the pores and dirt and oil, it even prevents acne. Micellar water is a no-rinse makeup removal. You don't need to wash your face after using this micellar water. You can just hit your bed. After a long day, you can use this and doze off. Honestly, what I do is, if I have time and energy, I will wash my face using a face wash after using the micellar water. If I do not have time and I'm tired, then I just use this micellar water and go to sleep. Micellar waters are inexpensive when compared to the cleansing balm. Even the variants, the varieties of micellar waters that are available right now are inexpensive when compared to the cleansing balms. So now let's see some of the disadvantages or cons of using micellar water. You need to carry cotton pads. Without cotton pads, micellar water cannot be applied onto your skin. So cotton pads or a tissue is mandatory. To sum it up, micellar water removes makeup, oil and dirt without drying out the skin. It is best suited for people who have oily skin type. If you have a sensitive skin type, then you can choose micellar waters that are specifically made for sensitive skin types. I hope I cleared your doubts on which one is suitable for your skin type. Do let me know what do you use for removing makeup. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section below. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.